The simple truth about short sales is that not all of them are easy. Because of the persistence, detailed paperwork, and knowledge base required, very few real estate agents are prepared to represent a short sale to the highest level. After all, when starting the short sale, you want to have the edge that gives you the highest probability for success. It's for this reason you should require a seasoned professional with a proven track record. At Short Sale Solution, along with our sister company, Your Advantage Realty, we are uniquely qualified to service your short sale requirements. We've all heard the phrase, it is a world of specialization. At Short Sale Solution, we are specialists. Short sales are what we do exclusively. With full-time local agents, centralized processing, and hundreds of successfully closed short sales in the Sacramento metro area, you can count on our years of experience to work for you. Bottom line, by working with Short Sale Solution, you're helping assure a successful outcome to your short sale. Most sellers have questions regarding the short sale process. Perhaps you're not sure a short sale is right for you. Call us for a free, no-obligation consultation. As always, our entire service is free to the seller. So contact us now. We want to be part of your short sale solution.